my YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn the two basic or fundamental formulas of weighted aggregate method, that is the Laspre and Pache method. From these two formulas, all other weighted aggregate index numbers are derived. So I request you, please stay tuned till the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. Thank you. The first method under weighted aggregate method, the first method is Laspre method. First method is Laspre method. So here the author has given the weight to the base year, weight to the base year. So Laspre method takes the quantity of the commodities in the base year period as the weight of the commodity for the purpose of calculating the index number. So the price index of the current year P01 using Laspre method is given by what we are having this formula. If you remember, this formula is our price relative formula. Price relative is equals to P is equals to P1 by P0 into 100. Okay, to this formula just add something. Okay, what we are adding? We are adding summation Q0 up and down. Okay, summation Q0 at denominator, summation Q0 at denominator. So these are the additional thing which we are adding to our price relative, so that our this particular formula will change to the Laspre method. So what is the Laspre method? P01 is equals to summation P1 by Q0 divided by summation P0 Q0 into 100. Whereas Q0 you can see, okay, in the numerator as well as in denominator. It means that the weight is added. The weight is added. Okay, the which weight is added? The base period weight is added. Okay, base period weight is added on our current period as well as to the current period price as well as to the base year price. This is called as our price index of Laspre method, having weight given, okay, weight given to our quantities of base year. So if I take the quantity index, quantity index will be the same. Okay, in place of price index we have P1 P0. Here in quantity index we have Q1 Q0. In price index we are having Q0 as a weight. Here in quantity index we have P0 as a weight. P0 as a weight. So this is the formula of our Laspre method. So under Laspre method, the author has given the weight to the base year. So base year quantity if I take Q0, base year price if I take P0. So in price index we have to give the weights to the base year quantity. In quantity index we have to give the weight to the base year price. So these are the two formulas of our Laspre method. The Paste method. Next we have the Paste method. Here the author has given the weight to the current year. Okay. So current year means how the value will be the price index of the current year P01 using Paste method is given by the formula P01 is equal to summation P1 by P0, summation by P1 P0. What we have added here? Q1 in numerator and denominator we have Q1. So the author has given the weight to the current year. Here. Okay, same if I take the quantity index, Q01, the under Paste method, the weight will be given to the price index of the current year. So Q01 is equal to summation Q1 by Q0. What is added in the denominator and denominator? P1 into 100. Okay, so in the both the formulas you can see the weight is given to the current year. Okay, in Laspre method weight is given to the base year. In Paste method the weight is given to the current year. So current year in price index we are giving weight to the quantity of current year. In quantity index we are giving the weight to the price of current year. So these are the formulas of our Paste method. Let's see how we can calculate the Laspre and Paste index numbers with the help of this example problem. From the following data, calculate price index and quantity index numbers using Laspre and Paste formula. Here is the data. Commodities from A to D is given ABCD base year price, base year quantity, current year price, and current year quantity is given. So let's see how we can calculate this. It is clearly given what are the price and quantity values of the base year, price and quantity values of the current year. So with respect to this, we will be having the combination here, 4 columns. So this column P1 Q0 and so on till P0 Q1, all these values, the combination you will be having in Laspere and Pasteur method. So if we know the formulas of Laspere and Pasteur method, we can easily derive all the formulas and we can do the calculation as well. So these are the columns of my tabulation. So this is my first column P1 Q0. Here I am going to do the calculation of P1 Q0. It is highlighted here, Q0 and P1. I am going to do the multiplication of this. At the end I am going to do the summation. The summation value I will be having 545. So next I will be having P1 Q1. Okay, I am going to do the multiplication of these two. I will be getting the summation value 280. So next I will be having P0 Q0. I am going to do the calculation of these two columns. I will be getting the summation value 506. I will be getting summation value 506. Next next column I will be having P0 Q1. P0 Q1, I'm going to do the calculation of these two. I'm going to multiply these two. At the end I will be getting the summation value 261. 261 is the summation value of P0 Q1. So this is all about my calculation of table. So now I'm going to start with the first method, that is Laspere method. And the Laspere method, let's see the price index and quantity index. We know the formula here. Laspere has given the weight to the base year, so we have this P1 Q0 P0 Q1 into 100. Okay, all this we have here. Under Laspere and Pasteur method, Laspere method, we have the price index and quantity index. So I'm going to do the calculation here. P1 Q0 value I have here is 545. P0 Q0 value I have here is 506. If I divide these two and multiply with 100, I will be getting the final answer is 107.7. 107.7. Same way the quantity index. Okay, Q1 P0 divided by Q0 P0 into 100. So here the values I will be having 261. Okay, divided by 506. If I do the calculation, I will be having 51.5. So these are my two price index. These are my price index and quantity index under Laspere method. Let's see the Pasteur method. Under this we have the price index and quantity index. In Pasteur, the author has given the weight to the which year? Current year. The author has given the weight to the current year. So current year values will be having here. The first value P1 Q1 divided by P0 Q1. Here I have 280 divided by 261. Next, if I do the calculation of all this, I will be getting the index number for the price is 107.6. Next I have quantity index. In under quantity index we have this 280 divided by 545. These two values, if I do the calculation, I will be getting final value is 51.3. So as you can see, Laspere method, Pasteur method, we got the same approximate index number or price or quantity index. So these are my price index and quantity index under Laspere and Pasteur method. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share my video. Thank you.